This is the intro for survival cooking. Survival cooking for me is when I just want to eat something and go to bed and not spend a lot of time on it. This is good for someone who's traveling maybe in a motel room, or maybe living in a dormitory, or being on the road and just sort of camping out. This is my pantry. I have boxes that I get vitamins in, and I've had them labeled as to what they are so I can find what I want quickly. This is the box with the meats in it, and so for randomness I can just open it up and pull something off the top. And try not to drop everything on me. And this is tuna. So I'm going to have tuna. I'm going to put some tomatoes, some diced tomatoes with the tuna. So this big T here means tomato. So that's what I'll be making tonight. But this is the intro for survival cooking. Survival cooking is just something quick and tasty. So I'm going to have something quick and tasty.